And continuing with some thoughts about Isaias as it starts bearing down. This is a look at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now, Richard was talking about South Florida. Why are we showing you South Carolina? Because once the system starts pushing past the East Coast, it's going to take a turn up the eastern seaboard. It's going to bring South Carolina, North Carolina Outer Banks into play, possibly New York and Boston as well. We've just started hearing the impacts of this already. 4.5 inches of rain in Puerto Rico from this. It's pushing across the Bahamas. Let's start the coverage. There you can see the storm moving quickly as it starts approaching Grand Bahama. But again, once it starts getting into the Florida area, it is going to take a northerly turn. Already, we have tropical storm warnings and hurricane warnings out for the eastern portion of Florida, including the Miami area, Fort Pierce, Jacksonville. Here's a look at Isaias. It is a Category 1 hurricane. The winds 80 miles per hour sustained. Let's take a look at the path. Between now and tomorrow morning, it's just churning toward Miami. It gets there and likely starts making that northerly turn. A lot of this, though, depends on the land's interaction with the storm system. But once it starts doing that northerly turn, you can see it brings the Georgia area, South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, across North Carolina. Now it looks like it's going to start making some inland impacts here. This could be 60 to 80 mile per hour winds, up to 6 inches of rain. It's going to be near the nation's capital early next week, and New York and Long Island and Boston and Halifax, Nova Scotia, and then into the Canadian Maritimes. Millions and millions of folks could be affected by this system. We'll keep you up to date. On the local scene, these are the advisories. Heat advisory all the way through Saturday night. Could be continued into Sunday as we start watching the temperatures go. Wind advisory, Santa Barbara County tonight, winds 15 to 30, gusting 40 to 50. That also includes really dry air. This is a short-term high fire period here as we get into tonight and very early tomorrow morning. Temperatures currently 102 in Paso, 87 in Tascadero, 81 Santa Ynez, and 82 in Goleta, 71 in Slow in Santa Barbara, 61 in Lompoc, 63 Pismo Beach, and the winds are on shore as strong as 22 miles per hour in San Luis Obispo. Look at Morro Bay, up significantly tomorrow into the 70s in Morro Bay. In Arroyo Grande, you're looking at temperatures nearly 80 degrees, early cloud cover, and then quite a bit better clearing than today. Lompoc will be significantly warmer into the 70s tomorrow. And Paso Robles, nearly 100 by noon, and we could be somewhere around 106 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see the high resolution satellite picture does show the marine cloud cover out there, but it's beginning to break up a bit. And you'll see that in the microclimate model here as the winds start picking up Saturday afternoon. It just won't let that marine deck form up like it has the last several days, and that lasts into Monday. So watch the ridge backing in here. It's all that red and that big elongated finger of redness that goes all the way up into Idaho. It flattens out early next week, and by mid to late next week, temperatures will go below average. So what a roller coaster ride this is going to be. 87 San Luis, 106 in Paso tomorrow, 80 Santa Maria, 93 in Santa Barbara, 79 Carpinteria, 103 in Cuyama, 91 in Los Alamos. In the 5 cities, again, look at these numbers. Even the beaches into the mid to upper 70s, 80-degree beach weather is not out of the question tomorrow. 103 Tascadero, 105 San Miguel. And the extended forecast does start to show that cool down Tuesday and Wednesday. Most notably, though, once you look at the interior valleys, look at that. The difference between the 106 Saturday and 83 on Wednesday. If that materializes, you guys, that temperature on Wednesday will be 11 degrees below average. Back to you.